Hi kids, how are you all? I am Nisha teacher from Ashwamekh Vidyalaya. We have started chapter number 1 Language and Literature in GK. We have done it in notebook also. Today we will see the quiz 1 general quiz. Okay? Now I will explain you things and I will also give you some homework. Okay? So let's start. Increase your word power. Some words of common usage have the following words as their synonyms. Give the simple meaning of the following word. Here are some words given. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to find the synonyms of the word. Synonyms means same, having a same meaning. Okay. Let's start. Yes, I want to say one more thing, that you have to take a dictionary, Oxford dictionary, and you have to search all this word meaning too. As I am also making you write, but still you have to find the meaning. Okay, once. Arduous, arduous, arduous means difficult. We can do one thing. I am saying in this video, but you have to write it down by yourself. Okay, I am telling you the meaning, right? Arduous means difficult. Okay, the synonyms of arduous is difficult. Brevity, brevity means shortness. जैसे कि कुछ कम पड़ जाता है हमें ना कोई थिंग्स में, वो. Beverage, beverage, beverage means drink. It is a type of drink. Some hard soft drink are also known as beverage. Palette, palette means range of color. Color board, mixing for painters to color. It is a plate which is used by the painters. Paucity, paucity means shortage, shortage of anything we can have. Palate, palate means roof of the mouth. Tardy, slow. When we say sometime we are so much tardy feeling, we are feeling tardy today, right? Vexed, angry. Stupendous, astounding means outstanding also. Trivial, unimportant. So trivia, the word tip is an abbreviation for to ensure promptness. Here are the full form. ये आप ही लोगों को करना है, लेकिन I am explaining. I am not going to make you write because it is for you. So I am just explaining. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Give the full form of the following abbreviation. Abbreviation means the words. कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखे होते हैं ना कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स, उसके मीनिंग्स भी होते हैं, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वन इज AAI. AAI फुल फॉर्म इज एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, ये जो एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी वाले होते हैं उन लोगों ने ये कमेटी बनाई रहती है. AAI मीन्स वर्किंग अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन। ये लोग गवर्नमेंट के अंदर में काम करते हैं और जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन या फिर जो भी हमें फुलफिल नीड्स चाहिए होती है एयरपोर्ट पे, वो ये सब लोग फिल करते हैं। ठीक है। एडीसी, एडीसी मीन्स आइड डे कैंप। आइड डे कैंप means it is a type of bodyguard which is given to a royal family, government officer or a military में हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं, जैसे कि हम मीन्स बॉडीगार्ड रखते हैं, तो ये एक टाइप के बॉडीगार्ड्स ही हो गए। ठीक है। ASEAN, एसोसिएशन ऑफ साउथ ईस्ट एशियन नेशंस। Associations of Southeast Asian nations means regional intergovernment organization comprising 10 countries in outstate East rising means this is a एसोसिएशन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय साउथ ईस्ट एशियन नेशंस, जहाँ पे 10 कंट्रीज उसके अंडर में रहते हैं। BARC, BARC फुल फॉर्म ऑफ BARC इज बाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर। BARC is an Indian premier nuclear research faculty and it is having a advanced technology for the research. BMW, yes, BMW, we love the car, right? Fifth one, BMW. BMW is a German company which produce vehicles and motorcycles. It full form is Bear Rich Morton Worke Edge, AG. Bear Rich Morton Worke Edge. Meaning of BMW. CD-ROM. CD-ROM, meaning of CD-ROM is compact dish read-only memory. Compact dish read-only memory means the disk और जो CD होती है उसके पास ओनली खाली रीड ओनली मीन्स देखने की ही उसमें मेमोरी होती है, राइट। CBT चिल्ड्रंस बुक्स ट्रस्ट। चिल्ड्रन बुक्स ट्रस्ट, it is the children's book trust which makes books and it was founded by the Keshav Shankar Pillai, popularly known as Shankar, in 1957. Inaugurated by President of India Dr. S. What is the full form of this? Children's Book Trust. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Everybody is having a DNA, right? And it is in a twisted form and it is mainly comes us from our grandparents, right? our father, हमारे पापा का एंड उसके बच्चों का DNA सेम रहता है, राइट। ECG is a electrocardiogram. Heart to check signals are shown as wave. It is stick on some machines are being sticked on our body parts which rate our heartbeats and it is being shown on the paper as a waves. Okay. FDI means foreign direct investment. It is from one country to another. HMV, HMV means his master's voice. His master's voice means unofficially name of a major British record label created in 1901. IDBI. IDBI means Industrial Development Bank of India. Industrial Development Bank of India. Okay, IDBI bank is the biggest bank जो इंडस्ट्रीज को डेवलप करने में काम आती है. It was started at year 1964. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is the Indian research organization which is having a headquarters at the Bengaluru, and it was started at the 1969. JNU means Jawaharlal Nehru University, which is placed at New Delhi, India in 1969 by our first Prime Minister. NDDB means National Dairy Development Board. National Dairy Development Board. Institution of national importance set up by an act of parliament Indian annually. And ये जो NDDB है, it is main headquarter is at Anand, Gujarat. Anand. PAN मतलब पान कार्ड, राइट? आपने सबने देखा होगा आपके पापा के पास, राइट? Full form is Permanent Account Number. It is of the 10-character number and it is used in Income Tax Department most probably. PETA, PETA, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. American Animal Rights Organization. It says that not to experiment on animal, not to eat them, not to wear the skin or things like that, and not to abuse any animal. PIN code we see whenever the letter is coming to our house, we every time see a PIN code, right? Every area is having a PIN code. Our Valsad PIN code is different, right? And when we go to Vapi, their PIN code is different, okay? So its full form is Postal Index Number Code. Postal Index Number Code. TRAI means Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It is the telecommunication sector, means ये सब लोग टेलीकम्युनिकेशन डिपार्टमेंट वाले हैं जो सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. TTE means the person who checks our ticket, right? The same way, this full form is Traveling Ticket Examiner. It checks the passenger tickets during the journey in the train. Okay, then you will find this and write it down in your book. Okay, and when we will have the next lecture, I will show you the correct answer. Okay, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.